I'm literally one of those girlies who have like so many different makeup styles. It's not even funny. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another makeup video. Like, what? I've been gone for so long when it comes to like long form videos. I don't even know what's going on. I've been doing a lot of shorts and reels, y'all. But yeah, I got something for y'all today. So I just took a sip of my drink thinking that it had water in here. But baby, it's freaking Kool-Aid and it is sweet as hell. I'm a water drinker. Okay. Let's get to the video, y'all. Let's get to the video. So to start off the look today, I am going to be using a white eyeshadow base. This is going to make sure that my colors are popping. I am going to be using these two palettes from Juvia's Place. I absolutely love the colors. I'm going to be doing like my outer shades, my transition shades with this palette here. And then I'm going to be using the shimmer here, y'all. I done dug a tunnel into this already. Y'all, believe it or not, I have not used these palettes in probably over a year. So yeah, we're gonna see if they still work. With the Juvia's, I am going in with the lightest eyeshadow shade right in these areas here, right above my crease really, and into my eyebrow. This is going to act as my transition shade. So we're just gonna blend it in. Get you a really nice blending brush just like this. I find it easier to just take like your mirror, raise your eyebrow up a little bit and just really slowly blend. And when you go in to blend your eyeshadow, don't press down too hard. Just do a light touch to that eyelid. It's going to make that color kind of blend a lot better. I tend to do circular motions, so... Well, I do circular motions in the windshield wiping motion, y'all. I don't know. So in this palette, there are two shades that look almost identical, y'all. But this shade is lighter and this one is darker. We're going to be using both to kind of build up a smoky outer corner and inner corner. It's going to start to kind of look black a little bit. And you can use black if you want to, but I'm not going to be using black today unless I have to. So if we get to that point, I'm going to let y'all know. But I am going to start with this shade first. So just kind of bear with me because it's going to look like I'm using the same color. So, yo. So the placement on this is super important. We're only going to be, I'm just going to tap it so you guys can kind of see first. We're only going to be building that color up here. Right here on the outer corner. And then we're going to build that color up right here on this inner corner. I really noticed that as a makeup artist, I have so many different makeup styles. It's not even funny. I like soft looks. I like bold look. I like drag looks. I like so many different makeup looks. So I will say that it gets really hard doing tutorials sometimes because I'm one of those people where people ask me for advice all the time and I'm just like, I don't know what you want from me. Because baby, when I tell you that I have so many different makeup styles, I literally call myself a creative makeup artist because this is just an art for me. I really do my makeup based off of how I feel and nothing less, nothing more. This is what we're looking like with that first layer of brown. I think it's okay. It's definitely not as dark as I need it. So we're going to go into that second dark brown real fast and we're going to see if we need black. And again, we are placing that on the same spots, guys, right here in the outer corner and then right here in that middle corner. I'm going to build this color up, blend it out, and then I'm going to show you guys if we need black. There's no need for you to see me do this twice. Yeah, I'm definitely going to be adding black. This is a Twilight palette. I literally just grabbed whatever palette that I had that had black. The first one, almost half of my palettes got black. So nothing special about using the black, guys. Whatever palette has it, I'm going to use it. So I'm going to go into those same spots. I have been using the same brush. Just to let you know, I've only used two different brushes so far. I used this one for the transition shade, and then I've been using this one. So we're going to go right into the crease. We're going to try not to blow the black up. So we're going to focus on building that black right here close to the eyelid and stopping right here at the crease of your eye. Wherever the crease of your eye is, baby, because mine is low sometimes and sometimes it's high. I'm 30. My body doing different things. But we want to just kind of pat that in just like that and just really just darken that corner. So I'm feeling much better with how that is looking. I am taking that first brush. I'm not adding no extra colors to it. And all I'm doing is pretty much just blending out these edges, y'all. Making sure everything kind of blends I'm not taking anything over into this centerpiece because that is where I will be adding my shimmer. So I'm just kind of blending those edges out a little bit. So I just placed some of my white eyeshadow base onto my hand, and I am going to re-brighten up this center. I'm not going to bring that up too high, okay? Because I really just want the center to have that shimmer. I want it to kind of be nice and blended. So I'm using my finger just so that I can have more control. Again, we are using the Juvia's Place Army palette. I'm just going to be using this green shimmer here. I'm actually using my finger to start with. And all I am going to do, child, is place it right dead center. So this is the first layer of me applying that shimmer down, the metallic, whatever you guys want to call it. I am going in with another layer on both sides, still using my finger. You can use like a brush, a flat brush, whatever. Look, it's whatever you like. For me, I just feel like using my finger with certain things give me so much more control. So far this is the eyeshadow look. You don't want to stop here, I promise you. If you stop here, it's just going to look kind of like this is where you go in and you do detail work, okay? So I'm going to go in with, you can get a brand new brush or whatever, but I'm not even gonna lie to you, I am not in the mood to clean any brushes right now. So I'm going to use the ones that I use with the dark browns and the black. I have a towel on my lap. I always have a towel on my lap, and I just brush off all of the extra color. This is where you want to go in and do detail work, okay? And what I do mean by detail work is you want to do your under eye. You want to figure out how to make the look kind of submerged together. So I'm going to take this, and right on the edges, I'm just going to tap. And the reason why I'm going to do that is because I want the colors to kind of blend in together and not really look so separated. So I'm going to be using my LA Girl Gel in my waterline area to kind of really bring the look together. I promise you, if you're not going to do your waterline, don't even do makeup. So I only did the waterline in this eye. That way you guys can be able to see the difference. So I'm going to use my finger again back into that white eyeshadow base. I couldn't think for a minute. And I'm going to pull my eyes down. Actually, let me do it this way so y'all can see. And I'm going to try to just put that right here in the center. Do not worry about it getting everywhere because I don't have no makeup on, no foundation, no concealer, no nothing under my eyes just yet. So I can clean up whatever mess I need to. That's why sometimes doing your eyes is just so much better, okay? But we're only putting it in the center. Now I'm going to be taking some black eyeshadow right here on the outer skirts again, leaving that white center alone. And I'm just going to blend that black. Probably going to have to build it up as much as possible. So right now I'm just placing that black. Taking that shimmer on just a really small brush, guys. Pat some of that out, and we're gonna place that right here, there, in the center. This is just gonna add more depth into your eyes, more illusion, bring it all together, make the look a little more fun. Actually, I'm gonna be using that first brush that I used to just really blend out those edges. I'm just trying to use the tip of the brush, really. So this is what we are looking like right now. I do need to do my face. I'm actually gonna do my face off camera because, yeah, time is very limited. So I'm gonna do my face and I'll be right back, guys. There's something about when you get to this point of the makeup where you're just like, oh my gosh, I'm so glad I trusted the process because, baby, yeah. So as you can see, makeup is just pretty much trust the process. Like, literally have fun with the looks, y'all. The details is so simple. This was one of the most simplest makeup looks I feel like I could teach you. So I'm very excited that you guys stuck it out with me. Thank you so much. I'm super excited to even be posting again, y'all, because your girl ain't been posting no, like I told you at the beginning, I have not been posting like no long videos. So I gotta sit down and make sure that I even still know how to edit because, yeah, But today is my content day, so I have a lot of content that I have to record today. So I'm super excited. I got the makeup done, so now I can go ahead and proceed to other videos that I have to do. Will I be doing another full-length tutorial? I don't know. It really depends on how this video does. Because like I said, the interactions and stuff are so much better on like my short videos, because I feel like people's attention spans just be so short. Y'all be really trying to, yeah. But yeah, anyway guys, that's neither here nor there. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are on my YouTube channel, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. If you're on my Facebook, make sure you like, share, and follow. And where else am I posting this, y'all? I don't know. If you see it, you see it. Bye.